All right, so welcome to week 7. We're halfway through the course, and as I was reviewing the course resources for this week last night, trying to think about utilitarianism, I was so excited because I said, here we are halfway through the course, and this week is really going to pull everything together for these students. They are going to understand and know the context of so many references as we move through these materials. So I think that's what's so exciting about this week. You're gonna know what they're talking about when they speak about utilitarianism as consequentialism in reference to those theories that are not consequentialist, in reference to other aspects. Remember back in week 1 when we looked at the trolley dilemma and we said, yeah, that is so contrived. That would never happen. It's a perfect lead-in to utilitarianism. So I think you're going to know the context of so much of this and really be able to place it both as one of the most frequently invoked ethical theories, but then also where its places in aspect to other ethical theories. Now, we still have a couple ethical theories, major ethical theories to go, so I don't want you to get too excited, but here we are, kind of right in the middle of the course and right with so much coming together. The resources this week, what I would say is that first book reading, ebook reading, really starts to get at the difference between Bentham and Mill, and you'll see Bentham kind of going a little bit hedonistic, but Mill really bringing in reason, which is why I actually love Mill. And then as you move through, I think we have the crash course. Everything's going to make sense to you, which is, I think, one of the best things about it. And then you do have a reading from Mill, a short reading from Mill that is tough. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's short. And if you can make it to that last paragraph, I think everything's going to become clear. So I think that'll make sense for you. In terms of our forums this week, in terms of every week, what we do in the resources is we learn about the theory or about the issue or about the topic. I don't need those summarized. I don't need them recapped. We're all learning there. The forums is where you demonstrate to your peers, where you demonstrate to me how this would be applied. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for you to go out and find the theory in the real world, or find something that would contrast with the theory in the real world and explain that to us. So those are two very different things. You're learning in the resources, you're applying and acting in the forums. And so that's what I really want to see is your original thought. So hopefully that'll make that a little more clear, and we'll really be able to both explore and challenge utilitarianism this week. All right, thanks so much.